Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using Healing Hugs, and this is a cute little card we're going to be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. Bring that in. And I have a piece of Whisper White and my stitch-shaped framelits, and I'm using the largest one of the squares. Run that through. All right. Now, with the Healing Hugs, we're going to be using the flower, and that's the distinctive stamp and the Get Well Soon. So I'm going to come in with my crushed curry. And I have this mounted on clear block D. And I'm just going to place it here in the middle. So just like that. Then from Tea Room, I have a piece of Designer Series paper, and this measures 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm going to get the Get Well Soon, and I'm going to ink that up in the Coastal Cabana. And I have this mounted on clear block B. And I'm going to stamp it right onto the Designer Series paper. Just like that. And now I had a little piece where I trimmed this off, so I'm just going to adhere that with some SNAIL. And then I'm going to place this down on my mat. And my mat is Coastal Cabana, and it is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to place that down. Flip it over one more time so we can adhere it to our card base. And my card base is Whisper White thick, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. So just like that. Then I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'm going to pop up my flower. So just like that. Then I'm going to come in with my enamel dots, and I'm going to get my Coastal Cabana ones. And I'm going to use the bigger ones. Place it in those corners, and then I'm going to use the smallest ones. and place them in the opposite corners. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card to wish someone get well soon. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!